this is the ideate box. This is where you're going to come up with your fantastic ideas for the locker. Now, the first thing we always do is what? Label our work. So let's start our labeling here. Our label is going to be in the top right corner. First, you start off with the class, not your name, but the class. Make this a little bigger. So you're going to start off with B1 or whatever your class is, then your name underneath it. So in my case, it's Miss Span. And I'm going to make this in a separate color because it is so important. Put your table number. Oh, I can put a nice box around this. How nice. Okay, I like that. Put your group number, please. You would not believe how many of you leave your papers around, and it doesn't get back to where it needs to be because no one knows what group you're in. Okay. Now that we have our labels in place, yay, I'm going to go back to the first thing that you want to do. Let's look at the point of view state. This always is going to represent our user, this symbol. So we need to put the point of view statement. Remember, the point of view is all of the work that we did during the empathy stage is summarized in our point of view statement. Without a point of view, we don't have a purpose. So our point of view is going to be what we shared users. I'm going to make this, oops, zoom in a little bit more and maybe change the color a little bit so it's less obnoxious. Okay, so now this is 3. We'll label this box 1, 2, and 3. Here are 3 ideas. I'm obviously going to need 2 more to round it out, but this is what your ideation solution should look like. And this represents what type of thinking? This is divergent, which is another way of saying many. Obviously, since we have to come up with our solution, our job is going to be next to go from many to few or one with convergent thinking. Okay, see you on the other side.